School of Film and Digital Media? Absolutely not.
Have you or a loved one ever experienced neglect similar to this? Hi, I'm Simp Athy, and I'm here to ask for your help and support on behalf of all young filmmakers here at Illinois State University. The film program is new.
Yeah, so you see the film department, we don't have much, which has always been a problem for us, but as filmmakers, we usually...
And it's still finding its footing.
Could I have some lighting equipment?
Oh my god. This? You could use your phone. I'm sure that would work just fine. I mean...
Okay.
But you can help. Currently, students are in need of high-definition cameras, field audio recorders, and lighting equipment. In fact, this very video is shot on a student's gear and not our own. A donation of any amount could make the difference between low-quality content and short films on par with beginning professional filmmakers. Don't take it from me. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to...
Don't listen to a word they say! All of it is a lie! We are thriving here at the Center for Visual Arts. In fact, ISU is best known for and founded upon its exemplary film program. I am Mr. Man! We don't need any help or any money, so absolutely do not donate to the Film and Digital Media program here at ISU. That's all for now. Go Birds! Please, we need money!
Thank you, Redbird alumni, for considering giving back to ISU and supporting up-and-coming filmmakers in one of the school's newest programs.
Hey, what are you doing?